Welcome, little artists. Get your pencil, your eraser, and your favorite colors ready. Sit comfortably, take a deep breath, and let's begin our fun drawing adventure. Follow along slowly. And remember, every drawing is special because it is made by you. Hooray, little artists. Our story begins on a clean, bright drawing page, as quiet as a snowy field. Something cheerful is about to appear here, so wiggle your fingers, warm up your imagination, and get ready for a funny little friend to pop into the world. A round little head rolls onto the page like a bouncy ball, and a tall, floppy ear sprouts up with a playful wiggle. It looks simple now, but every great character begins with tiny shapes, a happy idea, and a brave first line. Some gentle guidelines cross the round face, like a tiny map showing where the eyes and smile will go. The little ear stands proudly, and the blank face seems to whisper, "I'm almost ready to laugh, wink, and make friends."
Okay.
Pop, pop! Two shiny eyes appear, bright as buttons, and a silly open mouth jumps into place. Another floppy ear stretches out to the side, as if our little friend just heard a joke and shouted, "That sounds super fun." Now rosy cheek circles appear, ready to glow with giggles. The face looks extra cheerful, with a tiny nose, a sweet smile, and a tongue peeking out in playful surprise. This little friend is already full of sunshine and mischief. A soft, chubby body is drawn under the head, like a warm marshmallow wearing a smile. One little arm lifts high in the air, waving hello to everyone watching. "Hi, friends," the character seems to say. "Thanks for helping me grow." A happy face returns on the body, and another tiny arm reaches outward, ready for a dance move. Our little buddy looks like it is saying, "Let's clap, wiggle, and bounce together." The drawing is becoming more alive with every line. A zigzag tail appears behind the little friend, sharp and funny like a lightning bolt made for dancing. Dark tips are added to the ears, giving the character a bold, cheerful look. It waves proudly, almost ready for a grand adventure. Oopsie doodle, now we peek from behind. The little friend turns around, showing its back, round cheeks, long ears, and waving arm. Even without the smiling face, it still feels playful, like it is leading us in a silly parade. Ta-da!
Wow!
The little friend turns back again, standing on two tiny feet. Its eyes sparkle, its cheeks are round, and its ears bounce like happy flags. It looks ready to hop across the page and invite everyone to play. The mouth opens wide with a joyful yay, and little feet get extra details, perfect for tiptoe dancing. The raised arm stays high, like our friend is cheering for all the artists who kept drawing, even when the lines felt tricky. The lightning tail comes back, bright in shape and full of energy. With ear tips shaded dark and a big, happy face, our little friend looks ready to zoom into a comic adventure, spreading giggles wherever its tiny feet go. More details are added with careful lines. The tail sits neatly behind. The arms look soft, and the cheeks stay perfectly round. Our friend seems to pose for a picture, saying, "Did you see me change? Drawing magic is working." Tiny eye highlights and extra little marks make the face sparkle even more. The character looks surprised and delighted, as if it just discovered a cookie mountain. "Whoa," it giggles. "I started as simple shapes, and now I'm almost complete." The final queen outline is ready, with big eyes, rosy cheeks, floppy ears, a waving arm, and a zigzag tail. Our little friend stands proudly, waiting for color. It has been patient, cheerful, and very excited for its bright yellow coat. Wowee! Bright yellow color fills the little friend from ears to toes. Red cheeks glow like tiny apples, and the mouth beams with joy. The drawing adventure is complete, and our cheerful buddy waves goodbye, saying, "Keep creating, keep smiling, and draw again soon."